Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. For today's video, I'm going to be making a DIY Candyland Zen garden. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I think it looks super adorable, and if you guys would like me to make more Zen gardens like this one, then leave suggestions in the comments on like what should be the theme. I did make a winter Zen garden and I have done like a beach theme before. So if you have like any other suggestions, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And before we do get started, I want to give out a huge shout out to this week's notification squad. Thank you so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below with the hashtag notification squad to be featured in my next video. With that all being said, now let's get started with today's video. Alrighty guys, the first thing that you want to do is make the base of your Zen garden. So I have this wooden lid that I got from a box. You can also use like a cardboard box for this. And I'm going to paint it using some purple acrylic paint. So now I need something that will divide the land and the chocolate river. So I took this popsicle stick and I cut it to the size that I want. And then I'm going to paint it using some brown acrylic paint so that it can match the chocolate river. And now I am gluing it in place using some E6000 glue. We pretty much have our Zen garden base, so I'm gonna fill the bigger half using some pink sand. You can use like whatever color that you want. We can now start making the decorations. So I'm gonna start by making a cupcake house. I have some yellow polymer clay and I'm going to start shaping it like a cupcake base. So it's narrow at the bottom and wider at the top. Once you're happy with the shape, you want to make these indents, and this is just going to help it make it look like a cupcake. For the icing, I have some pink polymer clay and I'm going to start flattening it down using my fingers, and it does not have to be like a perfect circle. If it's messy, it's actually better. So you just want to do that. And then I'm going to take some aluminum foil and I'm going to make it into a little ball. Place that on top of the base of the cupcake and then put the icing on top. And this will help you get that dome-like shape. So you want to carefully press the icing and just attach it together. Of course, because this is a house, we need to add the front door. So I made the door using some pink polymer clay and I'm just gonna pop that onto the cupcake. I'm going to add a cherry on top and let that bake in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Using triple thick, I'm going to glaze the icing. We can now place our cupcake house. And by the way, I did also make this little pathway using some craft foam. Then I decided that I wanted to make lollipops. So I have some polymer clay in purple, yellow, and white, and I'm just rolling it out. Next, you want to attach all three of the colors together and start twisting them. This will kind of form like a swirly pattern, if you will. And now I'm just shaping it into a circle like a lollipop. For the stick, I have this cotton swab and I'm going to cut both of the ends and I'm going to make a hole into the lollipop, remove the stick and let that bake in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. And then you want to glue the stick back on using some super glue. I also made a purple colored lollipop and I decided to place them right next to the house. And then I have these mini macarons that I made, and I do have a tutorial for this. I'll leave a link for it down in the description box. And I'm just gonna place the macarons all over. And we cannot forget Oscar, so I just placed him right next to the house. The last thing that we need to make is the chocolate river, aka slime. So I have a bowl and I'm gonna pour in some white glue. Then I'm going to add in a lot of brown acrylic paint and I'm gonna mix that in. The key ingredient here is baby oil. This will make the slime super glossy, and I personally really like the smell of baby oil, so it smells really good. And finally, you want to go ahead and activate your slime. The slime is done and I'm going to pour that into the other half. And I also decided to add some sprinkles. And here is the completed Candyland Zen garden. I think it turned out super adorable. I am obsessed with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next one.